Hello guys, welcome. In today's video we are going to learn the difference between is and equal in Python programming language. So for this, let's consider an example. I am going to create a list called fruits1. So fruit1, and this list contain some element, name of the fruit, just like apples, kiwi and banana, and we have another one, pear. So this list contains 4 elements, and I am going to copy this list and create another list having same values, and I called the second list fruit2. So as you can see here, these two lists having the same items in their in same elements. So first we are going to talk about equal. We discussed in previous videos that equal signs, it checks the values of both lists. So we can use if fruit1 equal to fruit2, then it can print they are equal. So then it can print they are equal, or else we have print they are not equal. So as you can see here, these equal to checks the elements of both lists. Then if these all elements are matched with each other, then it prints they are equal, and if it does not match with each other, then it will print they are not equal. So as you can see, if I run this program, you can see here they are equal. So you can use saw the equal elements. Then what if I changed equal to with is? So is a keyword here in Python. So when I run this program, you can see here they are not equal. So why, if all the elements of fruits1 and fruit2 lists are equal, then why it is showing that they are not equal? Because the difference between is and equal is that equal checks the value of both lists. If both lists have the equal values, then it prints they are equal. Otherwise, similarly, if we put is between two lists, then it means that the both lists should have same memory location. So is check the memory location of the both lists. When I insert fruit1 and fruit2 in computer, so it creates different memory location for fruit1 and different memory location for fruit2. So when we apply is here instead of equal, so it checks the memory location of fruit1 must be matched with memory location of fruit2. So this if portion is false. So that's why else portion will execute and it will print they are not equal. Similarly, let's consider another example. Suppose I commit this part of code and directly print here like fruit1 equal to fruit2. So now as you can see, if I run this program, you can see it prints true. Why? Because equal checks the elements. You can see here it equal checks the elements which are present in fruit1 and fruit2 must be equal. As they are equal, so it prints true. But as I write here is, so it is check the memory location of fruit1 and list fruit2. So if the memory location obvious is not equal here, because our computer save different list in different memory locations. So as I run this program, you can see here it appears false, because is check the memory location of the list. So I hope the difference between is and equal are clear. So that's all about today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.